And there's of course the sample preparation to be able to freeze the samples in such a way that the picture is not distorted. So there have been, research has been going on very actively during a long time, but there has been a lot to do before the technique matured into the state it's today.
Not to kill the life in the cell.
Exactly, no, kill the molecules even.
Yes. There is this very special way of freezing the water, the solution, that you call
it's called vitrified waters. Yes. So the idea is that normally when one freezes water, ice crystals are formed, and ice crystals diffract electrons so that the information is lost because electrons are diffracted always. So the idea was to freeze the water so fast that the crystals would not have time to form. So, and this is called vitrified water, like a glass. It's the same principle as a glass in a window. It's also a liquid. All the molecules are disordered and they are not crystallized, but it's like a liquid that is like a solid, but it's actually on windows. You can see in the lower part of all old houses, the windows are a little bit thicker. And it's the same way here.
Transparent.
Yes, right. And so it's the same way here. Freeze water so rapidly that the crystals don't have time to be formed, and it's like a uniform glass that is transparent, or actually it does interact with electrons, but in a uniform way. And this allowed a technique to be developed such that contrast could be increased, and one could see the molecules in the pictures in the electron microscope.